Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn something very important. Capital letters and full stop. Let's begin. Capital letters are big letters. We use them at the beginning of a sentence. Look at this sentence. Apple is red? Something is not right. Let's fix it. Apple is red. We use a capital letter at the beginning. Look here. My name is Sam. Oh no, this is not correct. Let's fix it. My name is Sam. See? Capital letters make it correct. Let's learn more about capital letters. We use capital letters for special names. Names of people, like Arav and Mira. Names of days, like Tuesday and Friday. Names of months, like March and October. Names of places, like Australia and Mumbai. Names of schools, like Sunrise Elementary School. And names of festivals, like Christmas and Onam. Remember, special names always begin with capital letters. Let's learn more about capital letters. Here is another important rule. The word I is always written as a capital letter. Look here. My friend and I study in class. That is not correct. We fix it like this. My friend and I study in class. Remember, I is always a capital letter. The cat is sleeping. We add a full stop at the end. When we finish a sentence, we always add a full stop. Look again. The dog is running. Something is missing. Let's fix it. The dog is running. Now it is complete with a full stop. Remember, kids, start with a capital letter, end with a full stop. You did amazing today. Keep practicing your sentences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazesphere Kids. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye.